Hey folks, Shimanto here from Pimjo. It's 2026 and AI is building apps while you sleep. But with so many tools like Bolt.new, Base44, Meku.ai, Lovable, which one is actually the best for developers who want absolute control over their codes and clean coding? Today we'll look more into Meku.ai or Meku.dev, and I heard it's kind of booming in the market. It turns simple prompts into production-ready React plus Tailwind with agentic AI, Supabase integration, one-click deploy, and full code export. No lock-in. But wait, is it the best? Well, I'm going to find out. If you believe me, you can tag along and just subscribe and follow for more. But if you don't believe me, you can follow the link down below and check it out yourself. So what exactly is Meku? It's an AI web app and site builder made for developers and technical founders. You describe your idea in English. Then agentic AI plans the structure first. Then generates clean, editable React plus Tailwind code with Supabase for auth, database, real-time, and edge function. The key difference from others is full code ownership. You export to GitHub or zip, tweak in VS Code, and you can deploy it anywhere. No vendor trap like some no-code tools. It also has Figma export, one-click deploy with SSL, and custom domains, collaborative workspaces, and a huge community section for Remix. Oh, by the way, it was product hunt #1 with thousands of builders using it. As I'm signing up for free, I got 150 credits per month, 50 daily limit, and up to 3 projects. Starters is around $12 a month, yearly for exports and more credits. Dashboard looks clean, and let's explore more features. Now, let's see it in action. I'll build a quick freelancer dashboard with auth and progress tracking. Well, I got this prompt ready. You can pause the video and you can copy it. Then I'll hit generate and agentic AI plans the structure first, and boom, full app in under minutes. It made stuff like logging page, dashboard with charts, sidebars, responsive on mobile, and whatnot. Well, let's say you want to add more feature in your app, and you can do that via chat. Well, let's say you want to add Stripe subscription page for premium. Just write that down in the chat on the left side, or make it dark mode toggle persistent, and import this Figma landing page frame and backend. All of those will be added via chat refinement. With instant live URL, here's the site that's going live. It's shareable and SSL secure. With paid plan, you can export, push to GitHub, clean components, Supabase setup, open in VS Code, and boom, beautiful and clean code. For its features, we have agentic AI. It does autonomous planning and irritation, but smarter than basic prompt tools. Then the community and remix section. You can browse thousands of projects and you can remix something like a crypto app or landing page. And some of the projects have 20 to 30 remixes, which is great for inspirations. Integrations are seamless. Supabase is core, Stripe via prompts, Figma import, GitHub sync, workspaces for teams with real-time collab, and private projects on paid. With security and ownership, you own the data and code. For testimonials, builders say it's polished in minutes and the clean coding saved them hours, and better than Lovable for clarity. The pros are blasting MVPs, which have production-ready code and full ownership, agentic smarts, beautiful UIs, and a community goldmine. Completely dev-friendly and no lock-in. The cons: free tier is limited, 150 credits per month, no exports, 3 projects max, and projects burn fast on big irritations, and the daily limits resets every 24 hours. It's best for web, but not native mobile yet. And the prompt quality matters, so irritate carefully. For pricing, the free tier is solid for testing. Starter around $12 a month yearly for exports and custom domain. Higher tiers for teams and more credits, but you can buy extras anytime. Compared to others, Bolt.new is best for in-browser tinkering and prototyping, but Meku wins on product delivery and ownership. Base44 is more no-code and beginner-friendly with less coding control, but Meku feels dev first with clean React output that you can scale. In 2026, for developers wanting fast, full-stack, ownable apps without hassle, I think Meku is one of the best. It's not perfect for ultra-complex stuff, but for MVPs, dashboard, and landing pages, it's excellent. Try it for free at Meku.dev. Referral link down in the description. What do you think? Is Meku top tier? You can let me know and maybe share your experience with Meku. Like and subscribe for more content like this in 2026. Well, see ya, peace, stay building.